Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain what is find function in Microsoft Excel. What is find? It returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. And find is a case sensitive. For example, I have some text string here. I want to find the one specific character position in this text string. How I can find? You can find out the position by using a find function here. For example, I want to find the hyphen is available in which position in this text string. I'm going to find out by using a find now. What is the syntax of find? If you see here, find text, within text, and starting number you need to mention. Let's write what is the find text. I'm going to find hyphen. So you need to give a that character string in a double quotes, comma within text. In which text you want to find this character position. Now I want to find the hyphen in this A4 character position. Now starting number you need to mention. What is the starting number? Based on the starting number, it will give the position. For example, if you give a 1 here, what it will do? It will find out this hyphen in from the starting of the character string. So from E it will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth position that hyphen is available. When you press and enter, it will give the 5 as your output. So if you want to find out the second hyphen position, for example, now you got to know the first hyphen position is at fifth place. So if you give a sixth as your starting position, so then what it will do? It will start finding out the position from the sixth place. It means from S it will start finding a hyphen position and it will give you the result. What is the second hyphen position now? It is a 10th. This is how you can use the find function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.